Morning students, how are you? You guys will be safe. Okay, myself Narendra Rawat. Today we will talk in class 12th standard chemistry in your unit number 2nd. Your topic is Le Chatelier principle and effect of temperature. Student, today we will talk in Le Chatelier principle. Please note the definition of Le Chatelier principle. This is the very important principle in all over the chemistry. Okay, here if a system under equilibrium be subjected to a change in temperature, pressure or concentration, then the equilibrium shift, this is powerful point, then the equilibrium shift itself in such a way so as be under or neutralize the effect the change. Here, if a system under equilibrium be subjected to a change in temperature, pressure or concentration, then the equilibrium shifts itself in such a way so as be under or neutralize effect of change. Here, first is the equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Suppose that this is your container A and B fill in water. The temperature of A is, suppose that 10 degrees Celsius, and temperature of B is, suppose that 8 degrees Celsius. So what is the equilibrium condition? Then the is heat transformation A to B, B to A. Here, when the temperature is 10 plus 8, 18, it means 9 degrees Celsius, and temperature of B is 9 degrees Celsius. Here, this is the condition of equilibrium. Okay, students, this is the equilibrium condition. Okay, here now next, to verify the Le Chatelier principle. Suppose that this is a container. Okay, this is a container, and here N2 plus 3H2 equal to 2NH3, the formation of ammonia. Okay, here if the change in temperature, suppose that the reaction will proceed, then change in their temperature, then reaction will be same direction, or we can say that the reaction proceed in the direction of temperature. Okay, if the change in their pressure, then reaction proceed in the direction of pressure. If the change in if the change in their concentration, then reaction proceed with the direction of concentration. Okay, according to Le Chatelier principle, when the change in temperature, pressure or concentration or volume in any of the reaction, okay, then reaction proceed in their direction. If the change in temperature, the reaction proceed direction of temperature. If the change in their pressure, the reaction proceed direction of pressure. If the change in concentration, reaction proceed their direction of concentration. Then Le Chatelier states that in this case, the equilibrium shift itself, bring bring it will be reaction back direction. Suppose that this is temperature, then the equilibrium in this reaction shift, or we can say that bring in back direction, bring in back direction. This is the law of Le Chatelier principle. Okay, student. Okay, student. Suppose that. Okay, clear. Only one, equilibrium. Le Chatelier principle totally depend upon equilibrium. In the case of change of pressure, temperature and volume and concentration of the reaction, the equilibrium to bring it back direction of the reaction. Suppose that A to B, change their temperature, pressure and volume or concentration of the reaction, then equilibrium in this reaction proceed in back direction. So this is the law of Le-Chatelier principle. And last is the effect of temperature. Here last is the effect of temperature. When the solubility of, please note it, effect of temperature. Okay, when the solubility of gases decreases, then the temperature, yeah, we can say that gases decreases with in temperature increases. Okay, when the solubility of gases decreases within the temperature of gases increases. Okay, so this is the effect of temperature according to Le-Chatelier principle. Okay, thanks for watching.